If you want to enable or disable call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your phone application. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner and open up your settings. Now we gotta find our supplementary services right here at the bottom. Open that up and find your call forwarding. Open it up as well. So here I have two choices between voice calls and video calls. Choose the desired option. I'll choose a voice calls. Now set it up. Always forward when busy, forward when unanswered, forward when unreachable. So choose the desired option, for example, forward when busy, and set up a desired number, or you can choose your number from contacts, right? So you can choose one from contacts and press enable, or you can type it in yourself. And in order to delete this option, in order to disable your call forwarding, choose the desired option, press disable, give it some time. As you see, no number set anymore. So basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.